Hi everyone, in this video I will show you two ways to change Wi-Fi password on your Netgear Nighthawk RAX30 Wi-Fi router. Option 1. If you use the Nighthawk application in your smartphone, make sure you're connected to your router's Wi-Fi network in your Wi-Fi settings. Then open the app, scroll down a bit and tap on Wi-Fi settings. Here you can see your 2.4 and 5 GHz networks. So tap on the network where you want to change the password. Let's say this one. Then tap on the eye icon. Delete old password. Enter a new one. Hit done. And don't forget to save your changes. So tap on OK. After you've changed your password, all devices will be disconnected from your router because the password is new and you have to forget the network and connect from scratch on each device separately. However, your current device will connect to network with new password automatically. Just tap continue once you see this screen and tap on join over here and just wait until this line fills. Also, you can go to Wi-Fi settings and enable Smart Connect. It combines 2.4 and 5 GHz band into unified dual band network, and your devices will automatically select the best options for them. So let's do this. Tap on OK. So wait for a while until the device will make its settings. After Smart Connect is enabled, you will have just only one password for both networks because network is combined now, and in Wi-Fi settings just tap on your network name and change the password for your dual band network. Don't forget to save and you're all set. The second option to change your password is by using the web interface of your router. To do this, connect your computer to the router's network, then open any web browser and in the search bar type in routerlogin.net, then hit enter. Now enter your username and password. You created these credentials on the router setup. If you forgot it, you have no chance to enter the router's web interface, and to restore these credentials you just need to reset your device. So stay on the basic tab in your web interface, click on wireless, and from here you can also enable and disable Smart Connects over here, and you have much more settings than in application, but you need just to change your password. So scroll down, find your password, click on the eye icon, change your password. And don't forget to apply your changes. You need to scroll all the way down, find apply and click on that. And then, as before, just reconnect all your devices with your new password. If this video was helpful, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button to support us. Any questions, comment below, and be awesome. See you in the next videos. Bye guys.